Find screws.
The door panel is attached to the front and rear doors with 3 screws each. The first 2 screws are located under the speaker cover. Starting at the top, pry the cover outwards and then remove it. Remove the 2 screws underneath. The third screw is freely accessible and is located under the armrest. Remove the screw.
Remove the door panel.
Now the panel is only attached to the door with clips. Release the clips one by one by pulling the panel sharply and jerkily away from the door. Helpful tool is linked in the description. After the clips have been released, pull the panel upwards out of the shaft strip.
Disconnecting electronics and inside door handle.
Pull the Bowden cable of the door handle out of the guide by shaking it slightly and unhook the cable. Now disconnect the speaker. And the central plug directly from the control unit. The connector on the front panel is different. Here you have to press the small lock and then open the pink lever. The plug then pushes itself outwards.